Making a quick video showing you how to replace this bulb on a Mk6 Volkswagen GTI, a Golf R, or a Golf. It's all kind of the same if it's a Mk6. I think a Mk5 is kind of the same thing too as far as the procedure goes. So all you need to do is open your trunk here, and then you'll see a little cover. There's a little notch right there. You can kind of get in, pull down on that, and then it kind of just slides in this way like that. And here's the socket housing. So if you take this little tab right here and you push this way, so I'm pushing kind of back on it, it'll release the whole socket. So I'm pushing it down like that and just pulling it straight out. There it is. So here are your two bulbs. These bulbs, you don't want to rotate them. You just want to pull them straight out. So you can just grab those right out of there like that. And I'll put the part number in the description for these, but you know, if you're unsure, you can just take these bulbs with you to the auto parts store and just match them up. You know, throw them on the counter and they should be able to get you the right one. But yeah, there it is. So pretty easy to do. Stick the new ones in, push this back in, put the little cover on, and that's it. So thanks for watching.